Hi, it's Marcy. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me. I'm gonna try just going outside my garage door just to see what a North Dakota blizzard looks like. Okay, here we go. Holy cow, check out my door. Ooh, good times. My walkway. Look at the blowing snow, how much it blew in. And Heidi even dug some out. Oh yeah, I won't be able to get over that chunk. Look at this. Nice little blowing snow around here. All of my windows basically look like that, or they're completely frosted over so I can't see them. It's lots of fun. Going to attempt to go get my mail. I wonder if the mailman came today. I have no idea. Okay, peace out.